importance of chain maintenance.
Stop, we pound motor, we care about the people. Something goes down, we out here.
Importance of that chain maintenance, man. Yo, what are you about to do? Nah, bro. It's in between the sprocket and the swing arm. It's not gonna come out. It's not gonna come out. It's between the sprocket and the swing arm. The only way to...
Listen to the man with some experience. See what he's got to say. It's stuck between
Nah. Oh shit. Yo, the swing arm is all fucked up.
How fast were you when it broke? How fast were you when it broke? I went to throw second, man, and right when I let go.
Chain maintenance, fellas. Chain maintenance.
Hard, right?
Look at where it broke.
It's the last side of the link that came off. You need a new master link.
It's the boom.
Nah, what do you mean a master link? He needs a new chain.
I had a chain. Fuck that. I need a new chain.
Because if this is damaged right here, it's all meant. Like, look at this. You need a whole new chain.
Okay, bros, can I focus before we get hit? I'm willing to help. I can take that ladder out.
Yo, chain maintenance, dog. Chain maintenance, my nigga. Yo, his chain hit the ground. But if you look at the rust, like right here, that's not normal.
It's right off. My trailer's right off.
You know what I'm saying? It's a clean ass bike though.
Gripping and this is red. I don't foresee anyone hitting it. Do you guys agree it's off the road? Take your key. I think you're good because it's red.
All right, fellas, we out.